Here is the main character for this video. Now, let's go to milperthusky channel analytics. They have uploaded 728 videos. They now have 2.28 million subscribers with a total view of 733,466,997 views. Their channel type is people. They created their channel since March 14, 2017. The grade they got is B+. And their social blade ranking is at 22,116th. The subscriber ranking is 8,332nd, and then video views rank is 6,926th. They ranked at 852nd in people. Next, the daily subs for milperthusky is around 667 with a daily view of 399,858. Now let's talk about how much money they are making on YouTube, and this is going to be an estimate. So, the daily view is 400,000. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning will be $1,600. Then, monthly income will be $48,000. Don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue for 45%. Now, monthly income will be $26,400 after the cut. And as for the yearly income will be $316,800. That is how much milperthusky makes from YouTube.